Hello students, welcome back in English grammar class. Our today's topic is adverb phrase. As you know that we have already discussed some different types of phrases like noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase. So here we are discussing adverb phrase. As you already know that a phrase is a group of words which does not contain a subject and a verb, and it does not give us a complete sense. So here now, what is adverb phrase? An adverb phrase is simply a group of two or more words that function as an adverb in a sentence. It's simply a group of two or more than two words which functions as an adverb in a sentence. As you know the definition of adverb, it modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So here adverb phrase also do the same job. Just as an adverb can modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb, an adverb phrase of more than one word can further describe a verb, adverb, or adjective. So it also do the same function. It also modify a verb, an adverb, or adjective. Adverb phrases typically answer the question how, where, why, or when something was done. As we have already discussed adverbs as well. So there we have discussed that adverb answers the question how, where, why, or when something was done. So adverb phrases also answers the same question, that how, where, why, or when something was done. Here an example is given. You can see it. I parked the car. I parked the car. Here we haven't used any adverb in it. I parked the car here. So the word here is an adverb in this sentence. I parked the car right here. So here the group of words right here, group of two words, right here is an adverb phrase because it is not a singular word. It consists of two words. So that's why it is a phrase, and it is as it is modifying that where have I parked the car. So it is answering the question where. Right here, it is an adverb phrase. Adverb phrases show how, where, why, when something happened. A simple adverb phrase usually contains an adverb and at least one other word before or after it. Same as we have discussed with noun as well, that it has post modifiers and free modifiers. So here an adverb also consisting of some words before or after it. Though a prepositional phrase or infinitive phrase can also act as an adverbial. A prepositional phrase can also act as an adverb, and an infinitive phrase can also act as an adverb. You know prepositional phrase, it starts with the preposition and it functions as a preposition in a sentence. An infinitive phrase consists of two infinitive, two plus first form of verb. Adverb phrase is describing how. Here we have some examples that how it answers the question how. Surprisingly well, in total silence, often under duress, very carefully, quite easily. These are all examples of the questions which are answering the question how. Adverb phrase describing where. Near the edge, through the looking glass, over the rainbow, by the mailbox, around the sun. Here they are answering the question where. Then we have some other adverb phrases which are describing the question why. To understand better, for her happily ever after, for pity's sake, to make the most of it, to end discrimination. Then we have some other adverb phrases describing when. As quickly as possible, anytime, yesterday afternoon, after a few minutes, never at midnight. Here you have noticed that it all phrases consisted of two or more than two words, and it is having an adverb in it which is modified by some other words before or after it. As you can see, as quickly as possible, here quickly is an adverb but it is modified by other words as possible. Anytime, here any is an adverb and the word time is used with it to even more modify it. Yesterday afternoon, same, after a few minutes, never at midnight. These are all examples of adverb phrases. Adverb phrases can be used in any position in a sentence. It means that an adverb phrase may be used in the start of a sentence, it may use at the mid of the sentence, and it may used at the end of the sentence. Here we have some other examples using adverb phrases in sentences. Meet me at the mall later this evening. Meet me at the mall later this evening. Here you can see later is an adverb and it is modified with some other words, this evening, which are used after the word later. Like simply we can say meet me at the mall later, then it would be consisting of just adverb, but this evening is modifying the word later here, so it is an adverb phrase and it is used at the end of the sentence. Without thinking he turned down the road. Down the road is again an adverb phrase because it is modifying the verb turned. Where did he turn? Down the road. She went online for more information. For more information is an adverb phrase here and it is used at the end of the sentence. In the forest many creatures snarl and growl. Here again you can see it is used in the start of the sentence. In the forest. In the forest. Here you can see it is starting with a preposition in the forest. But here this prepositional phrase is used as an adverb phrase. I will not do that. Never in a million years. Here you can see never in a million years, it is used at the end of the sentence, but it is an adverb phrase because it is modifying the verb do. They have a house right by the ocean. Where are they having a house? Right by the ocean. It is answering the question where, and it is also used at the end of the sentence. We will reconvince earlier than usual. Here earlier than usual. Earlier is an adverb and it is modified by some other words than usual, and together it is modifying reconvince, which is a verb. So it is an adverb phrase here, which is used at the end of the sentence. Truly happy I gave him my answer. Truly happy is modifying the verb gave here, and it is used at the start of the sentence. At every turn problems blocked his path. Here again you can see at every turn. It is an adverb phrase which is used at the start of the sentence. So simply an adverb phrase is functioning as same as an adverb in a sentence, and it would be a group of words consisting of an adverb and some other words which would be modifying that adverb. Your homework for today is that you have to write 5 sentences consisting of different adverbs which would be answering the question how, when, how much, where. See you in my next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.